AppGyver in a minute today with Marketplace. The component marketplace can be accessed from the left sidebar via Component Marketplace. Here you can search for view components, flow function, themes, page templates and data connectors created by AppGyver and our community and install them in your own app. In addition to the component types, one can also filter by the so-called tags, such as input, layout or tags. However, these tags are excluding each other, which means that you can only filter by one at a time. If you want, you can also display the components filtered by object source. Either you see everything, only the one you created, the one you haven't installed yet, or only the one you already installed. If I knew what I'm looking for, I simply enter the name in the search and press install. This way, the component appears in my left sidebar under the installed components. Then all I have to do is drag it into my application and I'm done.
Now you know all what you need to know about AppGyver Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.